Everybody, it's Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company. We get a lot of questions here about using our editor, and one of the frequently asked one is how to add a new ingredient. So I'm going to show you just how quick and easy that process can be. So I want to make a variation of this graham cracker crust. I want to use butter crackers because they're yummy and delicious versus graham crackers, which are also yummy and delicious, but two different kinds of yummy and delicious. So I found graham crackers in the recipe. I'll now select that ingredient. Going to push that little button. So let's see if butter crackers are in the app. So I'm just typing cracker, making my life easy. There's all our crackers. We have bunny, graham crumbs, soda crackers. No, so we don't have this ingredient in the app yet. So I'm going to use this little menu button, kind of looks like a little hamburger. Hit that. So the first thing you want to do when you go to add this new ingredient is to find an ingredient that's similar in weight and density to the ingredient you're adding. That way the app can properly scale your recipe around that ingredient. So let's just type in cracker again. There's all my crackers. I think soda cracker is probably the closest bet here. So I select soda cracker. Then I use this little menu hamburger and I hit the button. And we have pantry help, new ingredient, there it is. So time to add my new ingredient. First thing you want to do is type in a name. Butter crackers. And we can add a little description. Yummy, buttery, goodness, and as always, we're going to want to use some exclamation points. Now, done here, I can select a color for that ingredient block to fill up. They kind of look like that. They're golden. You might want to take a photo. That's always fun. So I'm taking an ingredient photo. I'll just pull this out. Just set up a nice little scene here. Some fun little crackers. Kind of an amateur food photographer. You should see my IG. Come on, find the light. Smile, work it, work it. Oh yeah. There we go. Those out of the way. Set that back down. Now we're going to kind of reframe a little bit. That's a little too much. Yeah, there we go. That's some good looking stuff. There's my photo. I've used that. Now I'm going to find a category for it because butter cracker is on a soda cracker. So I can do this. We'll just call it snacks. That works for me. Next thing you can do if you want, let's see your dietary categories, so you can use that feature. They're not dairy-free, they're not vegan, they might be egg-free, but they're probably not tree nut-free because everything's processed in plants these days, who knows. Now you can also hit your nutritional information to really be a good kid, and you can put in all your calories, fats, saturated fats, iron, calcium, so that way it'll track your nutritional information if that's what you want to do. Save that, ingredient saved, okay, we love it. Hit our back button. So now we can come in here and find our ingredient, butter crackers. We just did that. Great. Hit select. Now I can select an amount. I think 110 grams will still work just fine. I'm going to hit OK. Here's my recipe. It's all set. Got the butter crackers in. Just put a name on it. Butter crackers done. Hit save. Butter cracker crust saved. We are all set. And back out here, back out one more time. Here's my butter cracker crust. Let's go bake it right now because it's just that easy. Come in here, our butter crackers are up. Check a little info. Hey, there's our photo. Here's our little description. Love it. So, I hope that was helpful. It's really just that simple once you get to do it a few times. So, if you have any questions or comments about this, let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.